Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya for easy learning and better understanding. If you like the video, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now, what is apexification? Apexification, it is a method to induce the development of the root and the apical closure. What it is? It is a method to induce the development of the root and the apical closure in an immature pulpless tooth with an open apex. Okay, you are going to do the development of the root and apical closure where at the open apex. Okay, what are it is done in young permanent non-vital pulp. What are the contraindications where it is not done? It is not done in a very short root. It is not done in a vital pulp. When the pulp is vital, you are not going to do the apexification. When the marginal periodontal breakage will be present, you are not going to do the apexification. What are the aims of apexification? Why we do apexification? It is done to induce root and closure. The root and closure is there to form a complete calcified barrier. You are going to form here a complete calcified barrier at the apex with no apparent pathosis. Induce root and closure to form a complete calcified barrier at the apex with no calcified pathosis. There will be no pathosis present and the apex will be closed. Okay. What is the technique of apexification? First, what you are going to do, first you will anesthetize the tooth. Then you dam and isolate the tooth, that is isolation. Then we are going to prepare a SS cavity. SS cavity is prepared for biomechanical preparation. Okay. Working length is measured. It should be at least 2 mm shorter than the root. Then what we are going to do, we will remove the pulp. We will remove the necrotic pulp. We will irrigate it. We will flush out the pulp from the pulp chamber. Now, biomechanical enlarges. What is the mechanical? It is that what it do? It enlarges root canal up to the apex. It enlarges the root canal. The root canal enlarged. Okay. This is the biomechanical process. Then circumferential filling is done. At the side along the circumference filling is done. We will use a large files, that is 60 to 120. We are going to necrotic tissues from the pulp cavity. We will dry the root chamber with the paper point. Then we will apply the calcium hydroxide paste, which is thick in consistency. The solvent which is used to make a thick calcium hydroxide is La, or you can use water here. Then we will pack the chamber or root canal chamber with calcium hydroxide with a plucker. You should avoid the foreign substances beyond open apex so that to protect it from stucking. Okay. Then double sealant is applied, GP is applied, Gata Parsha, this is double sealant, and ZOE cement outside the ZO. This is the, just think that this is your root and you will add here calcium hydroxide, you are going to put Gata Parsha here, then you will cover it with ZOE material. Check the high points of the occlusion. Take a radiograph at that time. Recall the patient after 2-3 days. Check for any inconvenient reaction. If no complaint, fill the cavity with the silver amalgam in the posterior teeth and composite is used in the anterior teeth. Recall the patient after 3 intervals. Every 3-month intervals, patient is recalled. Normal time required for the apexification technique is 6 months to 2 years. Okay. Closure is verified and radiograph is taken. Clinically, closure is verified and on radiograph. Okay. Then you are going to check it clinically by opening the root canal and testing it with blunt instrument meeting a definite stops. Then RCT is done. Then RCT is done at last with a permanent root canal filling, gutta percha for anterior tooth applied, porcelain crowns. RCT is done, then crown is applied. After closure, what we are going to do? We will do RCT. Then permanent filling is done. Okay. Then crown is applied to the full crust crown. You can use porcelain crown, you can use metallic crown, the aesthetic of the tooth or as the patient want. Used for apexification is calcium hydroxide. Second one is you can use collagen calcium phosphate gel. Okay. MTA. You can use MTA, mineral trioxide aggregate, and you can also use osteogenic protein 1 and protein 2. Okay. These materials are used for apexification. What is apexification? It is a fixation of the root tip. It is a fixation of the root tip. To know more about me, links are in description box. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.